purification system offered by Kpuli Voltando Terra allows the evaluation and minimization non-hazardous solid waste for the automotive and the construction sector to transfer contaminated water and into plant assimilable nutrients as the works through evapotranspiration. Do recirculating treated water, promoting soil fertilization, reiterate by odors, not attraction insect or generation annoying noise. To support strong variation in hydraulic and organic loots, easy maintenance and aesthetic beautiful landscape decoration. To develop agroproductive activities such as the installation of live garden, fruit trees or timber. Our target market segment is allied with the decentralized automotive government of tobacco, where it's a note that 54% of the population lives in rural areas, and only 3% of their sales is written. Furthermore, we aim to explain the implementation of CAP and the various municipal gaps in the coastal and mountain regions due to their climatic characteristics which are ideal for the implementation for the protective tag focus on incrementation income.